So just the other day, my class was talking to me about word problems and specifically this word problem. So when we talk about applications of linear equations, it's exactly what we're doing. Is we're doing word problems. So this was the problem, which was find the measure of an angle such that the difference between its measure of its supplement, find the measure of an angle such that the difference between the measures of its supplement and 3 times its complement is 10 degrees. All right, so first off, what I'd like to do is I'd like to draw that out. So the supplement works out to a line. It's 180 degrees. Two angles, we really don't care what the angles are. The two angles together, A plus B, is equal to 180 degrees. All right, so that's what the supplement means. The complement is two angles when added together make a right angle, which is actually A plus B. The sum of two angles is now equal to 90 degrees. All right, so what we're looking at is we're looking at this guy, complement or supplement, and 3 times this guy is going to equal 10 degrees. But it's the difference between those. So now we've got to write an equation based off of that. So as we come back here, the first thing we got to do is we got to find if this guy plus that guy equals 180 degrees, or A plus B equals 180 degrees, then we need to find an angle. And it really doesn't matter. So we subtract B from both sides, and we get A is equal to 180 minus B. Well, if we're going to solve for A over here in the supplement, we need to find the same angle over here. It's going to be the same degree of measurement. So I've got to come over here and solve for A as well. So I'm going to subtract B off of both sides. And we get that, which means we now have the difference between 180 minus B and 3 times the complement, which is now A, excuse me, I'm sorry. Find my eraser here. Yeah. All right. Which is actually 90 minus B, which is this A value, is equal to 10. And so that is my written equation. And now I can forget about the words for a little bit, and let's just go find the answer here. So as we solve for that guy, let's put a different color here. We're just going to simplify the inside. We get 180 minus B. We're going to distribute, right? We're going to distribute the negative 3 minus 270 plus 3B is equal to 10. We're going to combine like terms on the left. Gives us the 2B. We combine like terms here, and we end up with a minus 90 is equal to 10. So go ahead. We're going to combine our constants across our equal sign. So we're going to add 90 to both sides. We get 100, divide by 2, and B equals 50. All right. So if B equals 50, plug that stuff back in up here. So B is now 50. Okay. Now what we find here is this guy is 130. So in this case, angle A is equal to 130. If B equals 50. That's supplement. For the, let's go ahead, this is the answer in supplement. For B, or the complement, excuse me, when we plug this guy in, this guy is now 50, take away 90. I'm sorry, the other way around. We get 40 degrees. So if B is 50 degrees, then A is 40 degrees. And that is my answer for my complement. Now, what we have to find out, that's the angle. This is the angle B that we're actually looking for. So B is actually 50 degrees. So that's actually what we're looking for. What I've done over here is I've actually checked. So when I get to this point, if that is 50, we take that, we subtract it from 3 times its supplement. Okay, so 3 times its supplement. Okay, this would be 130. 3 times the supplement. It's 3 times the complement. I'm sorry, I'm getting my words all mixed up. 3 times the complement is 120. So when we subtract those two, 130 minus that 120 that we pulled 3 times this guy, we get 10, which is exactly what we're looking for. So hopefully, if we have an instructor that would quit stammering around a little bit, those guys will help with that problem that we asked about the other day.